let's make this cup. I cleaned off a 16-ounce glass snow globe and grabbed 2 pieces from my Beatrix UV DTF element sheet. I added one of the 3.5-inch bunnies to the front and a coordinating bunch of lavender to the other side. For now, I'm going to keep the laminate carrier sheet on there just to protect it a little bit when I put the solutions in the cup. So I flip the cup over and I'm adding a small amount of the slow flow levitation solution inside the cup. Then I'm going to add some Bridezilla glitter from PDB. And I alternate between the solution and the glitter a few times until the cup is full. And then I think I ended up doing that 3 or 4 times, shaking it between them. Most of it I did off camera because it is very similar to what you're seeing right now, just over and over. So I popped the plug-in, sealed it with some UV resin, and then I go back and I peel off the laminate carrier sheets from the decals, and it's done. No, it's not. I put a lavender on top too. Then it's done.